Hi everyone. Today again I go to swimming pool party, Scorebirds. Today Sunday, September 15. I hope allowed take video. If allowed, you can watch. Thank you in advance for watching. I waiting also my friends. They also go. Maybe someone not go. But Georgi said I want to eat again. Okay, we can eat with Georgi and I will show what kind of foods have. And you can watch also girls if you want. You see, every Saturday. It's every Saturday. It's a dance in the bar. Every Saturday. Some of people go inside.
What's up, my friend? You made it again.
Yes.
Good for you. Good for you. I gotta get a couple pictures myself here, everybody. You see who's here? Leon's here. Starbird.
Hi.
Okay. Hey, Chuck. How are you? Good. How are you?
Hi. It's allowed? Take video allowed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay. 500 peso ticket, including foods or drink, up to you. And this one, it's also. No, I see this time more people than before. More. You see all occupied tables. So I will go to the second floor, maybe second floor. I can find table.
Leon, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I feel as though I know you because I watch your channel all the time.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I watch.
Yes, many people today. Yeah, many. I go to upper. Also don't have space. Okay, we can find where we can sit. I don't know where. Maybe here again.
It's the best standing, and gentlemen, the more pins that they get, the better chances, so the more chances of their winning. You can buy your pins, ladies and gentlemen, for those roaring out the area wearing red shirts. 100 pesos for the dress pins, and 5,000 pesos for the golden pins. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging. Winning the more pins that they get, the more of you. Get knocked on your eye, gentlemen. Those girls that you wanted to pick up in, give the big. So many pancakes, so many from all around the Philippines. Let you get juice. You can have
Start rain. Table already available, Georgi. Available table because rain.
Scorpions Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome on the center stage. Please welcome the Supreme Showgirls. Remember, gentlemen, once again, this is the only criteria for judging. So buy some beads for your favorite girls that are roaming around the area wearing red shirts. 100 pesos for the expensive beads, 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Free capital of the Philippines. Now turn it down, straight down. The vital statistics of 42 to 45, 33, high point, high gentlemen, from Club Lollipop, please welcome Miss Catherine Andre. And welcome her gentlemen, contestant number 2, representing for the Goldfish capital of the Philippines, now coming out, focusing on 21 years of age, with a vital statistic of 45, 25, 35. Ladies and gentlemen, 5'3" in height, with a gold number of D555. From Tell House Bar, ladies and gentlemen, give way for 10 Kidneta. And 35 from Club Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Miss Monica Bautista. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was Miss Green, Concepcion. And what you heard, gentlemen, from Lollipop Bar, 19 years of age, with a vital statistic of 32, 23, and 23. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Michelle Rivero. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's big time for Michelle. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, representing from the beautiful island of Samar, 23 years of age, with the vital statistics of 22, 23, and 33. With the number of D589, representing Dollhouse Bar, please welcome Miss Revelyn Canieto. That's right, gentlemen. This is your favorite candidate. All you need to do is find out some bits from the girls that are roaming around the area that are wearing red shirts. A golden beats for Reverend Canieto. Contestant number 7 from Lollipop Bar, 25 years of age, with a vital statistic of 32, 27, and 33. With a 5 high, ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Miss Risa Divine. Representing Global Atlantis with a gold number 540. Ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Miss Kim Garcia. Our swimsuit competition here in Scarborough, Hotel, representing from Surigao City, 20 years of age, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 25. For the 11 in high, gentlemen, from Lollipop Bar, please welcome Miss Melanie Malinaw.
Georgi take food. Okay, Georgi. I will go also take. Okay, Georgi, I will also take food. Tiki bar name. Tiki. We stay here. Oh, number one. Number one girl.
That's right, gentlemen, you can have a chance to meet and greet this for today's hosting. On the second floor. There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Put stamp. Not easy to remove later.
Right.
Good afternoon. Already don't have.
Yes, sir.
New.
Yeah.
Good. Fresh. Oh, it's mushroom, potato. Good. First time I see. It's creamy Brazil meatballs. Beef stroganoff. It's me. Korean. Korean, Japanese same. Bread. Pizza. Also have salad. Chicken salad. This one take. Еще. Все. Не то.
Right here at the Scoreboards Hotel, where we'll be having the second set of our swimsuit combinations. So this is your time. It's showtime. This is number 10 gentlemen representing from the fireworks capital of the Philippines. I'm sorry about Bulacan. 28 of age with a vital statistics of 32, 27, and 25. With a gold number of 024, representing Globe Atlantis. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Christy Pineda. Representing from Surigao City, 25 years of age, with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 32. With a 5'4" in height, representing Lollipop Bar, put your hands together for Miss Rina Matondo. Representing from the Federal Island of Baguio City, 22 years of age, with a vital statistics of 29. 28 years of age, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 25. Thanks so much for Roman and Honey Bird Jumpin from Subic Bay. With a vital statistics of 34, 31, and 35. 22 years of age, 5'6" high, representing Townhouse Park, with a goal number V163. Show some love for Miss Mia Aguilar. So boys and ladies, for the free contestants, the first ladies that were in red shirts that were around the area, 100 pesos for expensive bids and 5,000 pesos. So again, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 15. Also, she comes to us from Samar with a vital statistics of 44, 24, and 33. My green high gentlemen representing from Club Lollipop. Put your hands together for Miss Maribel Masala. Of 34, 25, with a height of 5'6", goal number 132, representing Globe Atlantis. Put your hands together for Miss Leia Sikat. We say for the beautiful land of Samar, with a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 33. 23 years of age, with a 5'4" and high. Representing Club Lollipop, give it up for Miss Maris Rosette.
Georgi, do you like this girl? You can see Georgi in back of you. Do you like?
I like 15, 17, and first 11.
Ah, okay, okay.
From 1 to 11.
Okay, okay.
Today,
What you say today?
today many girls in my test.
Ah, you like many girls.
Yes.
That's good. What about food today? Better than before?
Yes. Beef stroganoff. It's beef in mushroom sauce. Very soft, very tasty. Yes, I like this.
I don't like only big speaker here, Georgi. This one speaker is speaker. This speaker I don't like. So noisy. But it's good today. Good food's really good.
This is going to be our second set of our very own starting line. So some competition here is covered as well. And for tonight's gentlemen, we'll pick up our finalists for them to proceed for our top 8. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 1 from Surigao City, from Club Lollipop. It's time for Catherine O'Neill. And so once again, gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging. So guys, a piece for your favorite girl on stage for their chances of their winning.
Georgi, it's your style, girl.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, prize of is for your favorite candidates for them to help them to move on our next level for the top 8. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be announcing the top 8 finalists later on tonight, gentlemen.
Georgi hungry again. Salad. So better today, yeah?
first combination. And it's now time, ladies and gentlemen, to announce you our top 8 finalists. This is going to be a randomly. Once I call your name, please proceed to the center stage. Candidate number 14, Mia Aguilar. Top 8 finalists, total bids of 306. Candidate number 4, Queen Concepcion. And moving on to take the 5th spot for the top 8. We're going to piece of 179, gentlemen. Thank you so much. And moving on for our sweet 6th spot with a total piece of 166. Second to the last spot, gentlemen, before we complete our top 8 finalists. This is the only criteria for judging. The more bids that you get, the better chances of their winning. You can buy some bids from those Garcia.
You choose number 8?
Hey.
And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9, representing Lollipop Award, it's time for Miss Melanie Malinaw. And our bids. Alright, thank you so much once again, gentlemen. I was entry number 11, Reina Matanto. Moving on to our next candidate representing Dollhouse Bar, candidate number 12, Pizza Roselle Ruentes. Hey! I'd like to proceed to the top 3. Our next two is Spicy Beats. But the beats are wrong today. Last up the beats, 7.
I would like to call on our third place. Our third place for 22 beats. Our third place from Atlantis. We'd like to call on Miss for our second place winner. And she got 758 beats. swimsuit. Winner, and she got an 896 beans from the dollhouse. Our first placer is Miss Remeline Canelo.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, girls! And also for tonight, thank you so much for
Yes,
staying.
thank you so much.
We are the Synergy and we're signing off with you.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Have a good night.
Long time you waiting silent, I know. You choose this one?
Yes, 6 and 3.
That's good. Are you happy? I think today you're very happy because you 2 times eat. It's good food today. Only noisy, only noisy. Okay, let's go. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope someone interesting can watch again next month because every third Sunday we can take video filming scoreboards competition, bikini pools party. Now today I want to say for my subscribers who know already me, for my friends also. Today Shaira birthday. She's 29 years old already. And we together already 9 years. I met her when she before 20 years old. And now she already 29. 9 years we already live together. Always in the Philippines. Because 12 years I live in the Philippines. And 9 years I live with Shaira. And now we're going to Clark celebrate her birthday. I not take video how we celebrate, but she already wait me. Thank you again for watching. Shaira birthday today. Shaira, happy birthday. How old are you? 29. I already say to our subscribers, 29. We already 9 years together. 9 years. 9 years. Long time or not? You want more time? How more time you want? Huh? More? Thank you, thank you.